If your Beehiiv workflow is showing an error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your automation working again. This is especially helpful if your workflow suddenly stops running, refuses to publish, or shows an error even though everything looks correct at first glance. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check so you can save time, avoid confusion, and get your workflow back on track. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Beehiiv tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where Beehiiv keeps your subscriber and automation tools, so it's the right place to start when troubleshooting workflow issues. After that, open Automations. Inside the Automations section, you'll see your active workflows and any automations you've created before. Find the workflow that is showing the error and click on it to open the full setup. Now, the first thing you want to check is whether the workflow is enabled. A workflow can look complete, but if it has been turned off, it won't run properly. So make sure the toggle or status shows that it is active and enabled. Next, verify that the workflow is published. This is a very important step because in Beehiiv, a workflow can only be published if you are on a paid plan. If you are on a free plan, publishing may be limited, and that can cause the error you're seeing. So confirm your plan, and if needed, upgrade to a paid plan before trying again. Once you've confirmed the publishing status, check the trigger conditions carefully. The trigger is what tells Beehiiv when the workflow should start. Make sure the trigger matches the action you want, whether that's a sign-up, tag change, or another subscriber event. If the trigger is set incorrectly, the workflow may never launch the way you expect. Then go through every step in the workflow one by one. Look for any missing configurations, incomplete settings, or blank fields. Sometimes one small missing detail is enough to break the whole automation. For example, a step may require a subject line, a delay, or a selected audience segment, and if that's missing, Beehiiv can throw an error. You should also verify that all emails used in the workflow are saved. If you created an email draft inside the automation but forgot to save it, the workflow may not publish or run correctly. Open each email step and make sure everything is stored properly before moving on. If everything looks correct and you still see the error, go back and double-check the order of your steps, the conditions on each action, and whether the workflow has been fully activated after saving. In many cases, the issue comes from one small setting that was overlooked during setup. And that's how you fix a Beehiiv workflow error. Start by checking the workflow status, then verify it's published. Confirm you're on a paid plan if needed. Review the trigger conditions. Inspect every step for missing settings, and make sure all emails are saved. That simple checklist solves most workflow issues fast. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Beehiiv guides, and I'll see you in the next one.